Bonjour, c'est moi. Et là-bas, c'est toi. Okay, if you take a look, Lab 2, take a look at that one. Lab 2, the one that says Earth-Sun relations, seasons, insolation. That's what I want you to look at. Flip through that. I know, COVID, I shouldn't be licking my fingers, but don't worry, I'm alone in this classroom. And there's a thing over there that I can clean my hands with, so no big deal. Flip to page 4. It says exercise 2.1. I'll read a little of it to you. It says this. On the diagram below, label and give the correct latitude of the visible pole and draw the arrows to indicate the direction of the Earth's rotation. Then answer the questions that follow. So you're going to need to be able to answer question 1, 2, 3, 4 on this lab, on exercise 2.1. Others in the lab also, but right now, this is what I'm talking about, okay? All right. Here's the way you do it. So here's a globe. Watch. The Earth rotates west to east. We agree on that, right? West to east. All right? West to east. That's the way we rotate. Here's the trick. The Earth always rotates west to east. There's never a moment, never, that the Earth rotates east to west. Only west to east. However, there's a weird trick that happens. Look at this little globe. See the little guy? The little guy. The little guy also rotates like this. Just like that, west to east. Always, the little guy rotates like that too. Globe always west to east. Earth, west to east. Which way does the Earth rotate? Always west to east. But, watch this. If you look at it, this is like a magic trick, okay? Here we are rotating west to east. If we look at this from the perspective of the Northern Hemisphere, notice, if we were describing this like a clock, from the Northern Hemisphere, which way are we rotating? Clockwise or counterclockwise? What's the answer? Counterclockwise. Trip out, watch this. When you look at it from the Southern Hemisphere, same thing if we're rotating west to east. Look at that. Now we rotate, whoops, clockwise. Look at that. Huh? So that means the planet is always rotating west to east. However, from a Northern Hemisphere perspective, we rotate west to east and counterclockwise. But from a Southern Hemisphere perspective, always, 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 always west to east. But from a Southern Hemisphere perspective, clockwise. I hope you wrote that down so that you can get those answers correct. Oh yeah, au revoir.